Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll discuss the best 5 products, considering budget, performance, and other important factors. Don't forget to check the description below for more details and the latest information. Corsair 4000D Airflow. Have you been burned by a custom PC setup with insufficient airflow? If you want to be entirely sure you can avoid this happening again and again, we recommend going for this case the Corsair 4000D Airflow. Its front panels is designed to take in as much air as possible, and it has rooms for 3 120mm fans or even an 360mm AIO cooler. Its biggest drawback comes from its side panels needing to be easier to remove. If you routinely add new components to your gaming PC, this will get irritating fast. You might also struggle when it comes to fitting things into the upper regions of the cases, where spacing can get a bit tight. It could do with a better I/O selections as well. We don't want to end a negative, though this is a beautifully designed piece of hardware that is unrivaled regarding airflow. This option will look fantastic as part of your setup and keep everything cool even when playing the most processing-intensive games. NZXT H5. Flow NZXT's H5 Flow is a sleek mid-tower PC case with a clean and minimalistic aesthetic. Including a mesh front panel on the H5 Flow is excellent and helps with airflow. The H5 Flow is a mid-tower chassis with ample space for up to ATX motherboards and a sizable 365mm GPU clearance. In terms of cooling, users can mount up to a 280mm radiator on the front of the H5 Flow and a 240mm radiator. This is less support than on the Montech Air and CH560 featured previously. NZXT provides 2 of their F-Series 120mm fans pre-installed in the H5 Flow, and they run quietly when under load. The dedicated GPU airflow duct is also a fantastic addition and helps to keep the card's temperatures in check. NZXT cases are traditionally more straightforward to build in than most on the market, with features such as their cable management bar helping keep cables neat. Although having 2 pre-installed fans in the H5 Flow is excellent, the bottom fan provides little to no benefit for cooling anything other than the GPU. Another drawback of this PC case is the restricted number of I/O options, with only 2 USB ports available. Musatex 903 N4. The Musatex 903 S4 ATX mid-tower gaming computer case is designed to elevate your gaming experience with style, functionality, and efficient cooling. Crafted from durable materials and a sleek black finish, this gaming case offers your components a premium look and robust protection. Key features include a tempered glass side panel that showcases your build's interior, allowing you to display your hardware and RGB lighting in all its glory. The case comes pre-installed with 420mm RGB fans, ensuring excellent airflow to cool your system during intense gaming sessions. The RGB fans provide vibrant lighting effects, enhancing the visual appeal of your setup. The Musatex 903 S4 offers ample space for your components, supporting ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards. It includes multiple drive bays and expansion slots, allowing you to configure your system to meet your needs. With USB 3.0 ports on the front panel, you can enjoy fast data transfer speed and easy connectivity for your peripherals. Cable management is made simple with dedicated routing channels and tie points, helping you achieve a clean and organized build. Whether you are a seasoned builder or a first-time gamer, the Musatex 903 S4 ATX mid-tower gaming computer case is an excellent choice for creating a robust and visually stunning gaming rig. Phanteks Eclipse G300A. The Phanteks Eclipse G300A ATX mid-tower case perfectly blends style, functionality, and performance for your gaming or professional build. Designed with precision, this case features a sleek, modern aesthetic with a full metal front panel that ensures durability and a premium look. Key features include a spacious interior that supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, providing ample room for high-end components. The case is designed with optimal airflow in mind, equipped with a pre-installed 120mm DRGB fan on the rear and extensive cooling options with supports for up to 6 120mm fans or 3 140mm fans. It also accommodates up to 280mm radiators for liquid cooling setups, ensuring your system stays cool under heavy loads. The Eclipse G300A offers versatile storage solutions. Its dedicated mounts can hold up to 2 3.5 HDDs and 3 2.5 SSDs, allowing you to expand your storage as needed. The tempered glass sides panel provides a clear view of your components and lighting, perfect for showcasing your build. With its intuitive cable management system, the G300A ensures a clean and organized build. Front I/O ports include USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and audio jacks for easy access to peripherals. The Phanteks Eclipse G300A ATX mid-tower case is an excellent option for builders seeking a high-quality, stylish, and functional case for their next project. Corsair 3000D AIR Flow. The included 2 3-pin fans delivers quiet performance at 24.7 dBA and features Corsair AirGuide technology, which increases static pressures and focuses airflow for enhanced cooling. The case supports the latest graphics cards with 2 additional 120mm fans mounts on the PSU shroud, providing direct airflow to the GPU. It can comfortably accommodate a 4-slot graphic cards up to 360mm in length for an high-end, high-performances system. The high-performance airflow optimized front panel, made of steel, delivers massive airflows to your systems for maximum cooling. The Corsair 3000D Airflow has a spacious interior that fits up to 8x 120mm or 4x 140mm cooling fans, along with multiple radiators, including a 360mm radiator in the front and a 280mm radiator in the roof. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and kindly hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.